Hello everyone, and welcome to another video for the LightWELD XC. My name is Joseph Roy. I'm a product engineering specialist here at IPG Photonics. Today, we're going to be cleaning up this pipe-on flange assembly. Now, as you can tell, it's got a thick patina of rust right here, so we're going to be taking this off using an IPG preset. What is an IPG preset? It's basically a program that IPG has put into the machine so it's ready to go once you get it out of the box. Now, we have to use a specialized attachment from turning it from a welder into a cleaner. It's very simple. As you can tell, we have the laser gun here. I took off my wire feed attachment that I was doing previously to do some welding, and I just put on my cleaning attachment. Now, what this does is it keeps my gun right in the right focal range to make sure that I'm getting the most aggressive clean possible. I also have to make sure that I'm taking care of my safety. Now, the LightWELD 1500 and the LightWELD XC have many safety systems built into the machine. One of those is a safety circuit. So I have to make sure that I'm always keeping a safety circuit with the machine. If I lift off this gun, the laser shuts off. If I move it to the side, the laser shuts off. That's to protect me and anybody around me in my work environment. Let's get started. Okay, so we're all set up here. We got our safety circuit ready to go. If you look on our gun, we've got our cleaning nozzle. We are at 1100 watts on IPG preset P3. Let's get to it. Okay, so we just finished up on this end of the pipe-on flange assembly, and look how beautiful that came out. There's not a single speck of rust left on there due to our IPG preset at 1100 watts. Now, we have 1500 watts at our disposal. We could have got even more aggressive, but we didn't really need to. 1100 watts was the perfect setting to take off that layer of rust. So let's move over and translate down the pipes on the pipe-on flange assembly, and as you can tell, we have some paint here. Let's see how the LightWELD does on paint. Okay, so as you can tell, we did the rust first, we did the paint second, and they were both cylindrical parts. Very easy to translate the gun around those parts. Now, if you can imagine that was fairly easy, doing the flat is super easy. And just to show you how versatile it is, I obviously can go around cylindrical parts, I can do flat parts, and I can also do very strange geometries like this compound turn here. Okay, so we just did 3 different sections of this pipe-on flange assembly. We obviously did the pipe, we did the painted pipe, and we did the flat part of the flange. Now, if I spent about another half hour, I'd have this whole thing cleaned up without using any chemicals or any abrasives. So I hope this video has inspired you to take on different projects, cleaning projects specifically, in your shop environment. My name is Joe Roy. Thanks for watching.